What is up, everybody? It's your boy Supercar Tyler here with a brand new video. So today I am heading out to Nolensville, Tennessee to a charity car show. This car show is being hosted by Vanderbilt Children's Hospital and Exotic Autosport and a couple other companies here in Tennessee. They are raising money for the Play-Doh thing for Vanderbilt Children's Hospital, as I said. And I'm really excited. This is my first time actually going out to this event. And of course, if I open up the blinds, it's raining out there. But this show is a rain or shine event. And I'm not too happy that it's raining today. But hopefully it's still a good turnout. There's going to probably be some really cool cars out there today. So, yeah, let's go and have some fun, and we will see you when we get there. What is up, everybody? We are here at the Play-Doh car show charity event. Let me show you what's behind me. Got a Lamborghini right there. Gallardo. And then we got some other cars over here. Got a really cool military truck, C8. I believe that is a Grand Sport. And there's a Miata right there. But yeah, we got some nice cars here. There's some nice cars here at this event. Porsches here. Oh, what's up, Travis?
We know, dude. How are you?
Doing good, just vlogging.
Yeah?
Doing a YouTube video.
There you go. How many viewers you got right now?
Not many. This is just on the regular camera, you know.
Yeah.
Well, it's on the app.
Heck yeah. Been doing any draws lately?
Oh yeah, I've been doing quite a few.
No, but you said you did one for Pagani, right?
Yes, I did. I did one for Mr. Pagani.
Yeah, that's sweet. Has that been sent to him yet?
Not yet. I believe my buddy Sammy might come out and I'll give the drawing to him.
That'd be cool.
Oh yeah.
What else you been up to?
Working, typical, normal stuff.
Yeah.
Just looking forward to seeing what's inside of here.
There's a Senna in there.
Oh, Sammy's already here?
Yeah. You got all the sim rigs going. It's even better. Quite a bit of other stuff. Mainly the Senna's going to be the big staple.
Oh yeah, of course. And of course, this is a charity event.
Yeah. Bring some Play-Doh?
No, I didn't think about that. Oh wow, so this is, oh wow, 458 Destroyers here. Literally 458 Destroyers here. He's one of my brothers from Huntsville. Haven't seen him in like forever. And, oh yeah, Sammy's car. Man, this place is insane.
I know Rome very well.
Yeah, this is actually my first time here.
Same here.
This is my first time here. So let's go over. So this is the Huracan Tire Slayer, and this is literally owned by my buddy 458 Destroyer. I haven't seen this car in almost 3 years.
Really?
Yeah, this thing's insane. And it was actually owned by Daily Driven Exotics at one point. This was one of their cars. Oh yeah, this place is insane.
Well, down here, there's a bunch of Huracans getting like twin turbos and stuff put on.
Oh really?
There's an STO down there.
STO? Let's see what's here. So that's one of the cars they were going to unveil. My buddy Liquids. You probably heard of him, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
I think that was also one of his cars right there, though, that Porsche.
Oh, really?
So there's Phil's car.
I never recognized his cars anymore because he took the numbers off.
458 Destroyer's right there, too.
Oh, nice.
That's his brand new one. So he's definitely in here.
Yeah.
That's August too. But that was doing his car. And here's my buddy Sammy. going on, dude? Good to see you too. How are you? Doing good. Dude, I started a YouTube channel now.
That's nice. Yeah.
He's the one that has that orange Caterham that you've probably seen at some of the car shows. There's so many cool cars in there. I actually rode in this on Friday.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. Remember my buddy came and picked me up in it.
I think I saw it on Instagram.
Yeah.
Pretty fun.
It is. Man, this place is so cool. I'm so glad I made it out to this. We got the Senna. We got... All right. It's good to see you, bro. There's a 918 over there. A couple Ferraris over here. There's some cool stuff here, guys. There's some cool stuff here. Got a 600 LT McLaren right here. Aston Martin. A couple Ferraris over here. Got a 458 Spider, F430 Spider, Audi R8. I believe this is a V10. GTB.
Hey man, good to see you.
Good to see you too.
How are you, man? Good
Feeling
to see
good.
you. Good. Get some good content.
Oh, of course.